Hello, today I have a 2019 Jaguar E-Pace, and there was a lot of leak under the car every day, like oil, engine, something like that. And now I did my search and I found out that there is a timing cover cab or seal. Let me show you the board right here. That is leaking oil. It's a common issue on this car. This is the body number for the 2019 E-Pace. I believe is a 2.0 turbo. So the location for this part is under the hood. You just have to take this the air filter box off. Just a 10mm bolt right here, and you take that off with a screwdriver or some, and then you just pull it off. And then if you come here, right there, it's a timing cover. I don't know if you can see it. I just took it off with this hook. You just unhook it. It's right there. See the yellow cap, the yellow. I don't know if you can see from here. Right there. See the yellow covered with the seal? Just rub it off from here. And now I'm gonna push the new bar in. You can just stick your hand from here and push it into the timing cover. And also you're gonna see the leak on top of the oil cooler from the bottom. So you're gonna, at the beginning I thought it's oil cooler seal, but it's not. You can see that the leak is on top. It was a lot of oil on here, and this is a common problem, like I say. So that should be good after. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos, and if you have any questions, just comment below.